Let's learn colors in Punjabi. How do you say red? Lal. How do you say green? Hara. Yellow. Peela. Blue. Neela. Pink. Gulabi. What's purple? Jamani. Orange. Santri. White. Chitta. Black. Kala. Brown. Pura. Let's learn some Punjabi words that use an adhak. An adhak placed on a consonant doubles its sound. For example, nuk becomes nuk, ug becomes ug, jug becomes jug. There's a slight tonal change when an adhak gets added, but it can make all the difference as you can alter the meaning of a word if the correct tone is not used. I is ak. Ede utte adhak. Kakka ak. Leg is lat. Lalle utte adhak plus tatta lat. Nose is nak. Nanne utte adhak plus kakka nak. Fire is ug. Ede utte adhak plus gagga ug. To find is lab. Lalle uppar adhak babba lab. Buffalo is mudge. Mamme uppar adhak jajja mudge. Hand is hat. Hahe uppar adhak thatha hat. 7 is sat. Sasse uppar adhak tatta sat. To tell, das. Dadde uppar adhak sassa das. Truth is such. Sasse uppar adhak chacha such.